Joining us today on Morning Blend is Erica Saldivar. She is the Client Services Coordinator, Family and Elder Law of Mid-Michigan. Erica, your firm specializes in estate planning and estate planning education. This is a topic that affects all of us, but it seems a lot of confusion around it and what it's for, what it means. So today, let's do some myth busting about estate planning. Myth number one is that it's only for old people, or I'm too young to worry about estate planning. Why is that a myth?
Well, because none of us are guaranteed tomorrow. Anything could happen at any moment. And you should be thinking about what would happen to you if something unexpectedly happens and you can't communicate anymore. If you suddenly ended up in a coma, what would happen to you? Right. Your home, your bills, your children, your pets. That list could go on. But once you turn 18, you're legally an adult. It's time for powers of attorney for your medical and financial decisions, and that's the start of your estate plan.
There's also a myth that estate planning is only for wealthy people. Why is that a myth?
Well, did anything that I just mentioned really have anything to do with how much money someone has?
Right.
No, it didn't, because estate planning is all about you and making sure that you and the things that are most precious to you are taken care of. For every single person out there, you are your most valuable asset. So estate planning is for everyone, because each and every single one of us needs to be thinking about our own vulnerabilities and how we can protect ourselves if we can't communicate our wishes anymore.
Another myth is that I need a will to avoid probate. Talk about why that's a myth.
So, a will is a tool that the probate court will use to guide your probate assets through the probate process if you have any probate assets. And probate assets are the things that you leave behind with no owner when you die. If it has a beneficiary designation, it's not a probate asset. And if you own it jointly with another person and they're still alive, it's not going to be a probate asset. Your will tells the probate court who you would like to be your personal representative, so that person can personally represent you after your death and handle your probate assets. And in other states and in the movies, they refer to that person as the executor. You have an executor of your estate. But in Michigan, you have a personal representative. And oftentimes we can do planning so that we don't even need a will, because we're not leaving behind any probate assets. But we'll have the will as a safety net. And if you have any minor children, your will is where you will name who would be in charge of the care and custody of your minor children.
There's another myth that I need an attorney to plan my estate. That is not true either. You can get more information Saturday, June 26th. They're going to have a live free estate planning education seminar. Find out more online. Thank you, Erica.
Thank you.